Hi, and welcome back to my channel where I am documenting my journey on the Optavia 5-in-1 plan. Today, in honor of Cinco de Mayo in a couple of days, we are going to do taco dip. This taco dip recipe is another one from Sandy's Kitchen, my favorite go-to website for lean and greens and fueling hacks. And I'll show you exactly how we make this Mexican fiesta lean and green. I don't know about you guys, but I love Mexican food. As I've said in a previous video, I make mini cauliflower crusts that I use as taco shells in my ground turkey tacos. But today I am making taco dip. So what we're going to need for this recipe are as follows. We need 1.5 pounds of 96% fat-free ground beef. We need half a cup of tomato sauce and 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning, 4 ounces of diced chilies, and then 1.5 cups of plain Greek yogurt, and 6 ounces of low-fat cream cheese softened, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and 2 cups of iceberg lettuce shredded, and 1/2 cup of chopped tomatoes. We'll also need some jarred jalapeno slices. And when all of this is said and done, we make it in a 9x13 casserole dish, and it makes 6 servings. So each serving has 1 leaner, 1 green, 3 condiments, 1 healthy fat, and 1/6 of an optional snack. And like I said, there's only 1 green in the casserole portion of the taco dip. So what you do is you use your other 2 greens for dipping. For instance, I'm going to measure out 149 grams of sweet bell peppers. I have the mini bell peppers when I cut them in half and scoop them out, which will be great for eating the taco dip. So the first thing we have to do is brown the 1.5 pounds of 96% fat-free ground beef. Okay, now we add 1/2 cup of tomato sauce. And then 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Four ounces of green chilies. And then we let it simmer for 2 minutes. Okay, so I've had my ground beef mixture simmering for 2 minutes, and now I'm going to put this at the base of my 9x13-inch casserole dish. The next step is to let our beef mixture cool to room temperature. So what I'm gonna do is stick this in my fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. The next step is to combine the Greek yogurt, the cream cheese, and a tablespoon of taco seasoning together with a hand mixer. All right, it calls for 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt. And now we're going to add the softened cream cheese, 6 ounces. Okay. And then 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. So while I'm waiting for the beef mixture to cool down, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my tortilla chips. By that I mean my mini bell peppers. So I have 149 grams of these mini bell peppers. I'm gonna rinse these off, and then I'm gonna get our beef mixture out of the refrigerator and go on with our next steps. Okay, the next step is to layer our Greek yogurt and sour cream mixture over the meat. The next step is to layer our 2 cups of shredded Fiesta Blend reduced fat cheese, and then our 2 cups of shredded lettuce, and then our 1/2 cup of chopped tomatoes, and then to top it off with 1 ounce of the pickled jalapeno slices. Okay, I'm gonna cover this up with some foil, and I'm gonna put it back in the refrigerator for about 1/2 hour. And like I said, this makes 6 portions. I will serve up 1 portion with my mini bell pepper chips, and I'll show you what that looks like. Look at this. Here is 1 serving size of the taco dip, and look at how big this serving is. It looks fantastic. So I'm going to go enjoy my lean and green, and I will report back later. So I finished my lean and green, and it was absolutely phenomenal. I would change a couple things though. First, it was a lot of peppers. I think if I'm going to serve this again, I would do 1 serving of cut up peppers and then another cup of shredded lettuce. I would put the taco dip over the cup of shredded lettuce and eat it more like a salad. So that's how I'm gonna have it. I have plenty of leftovers because of course it made 6 servings, you can see. So what I plan on doing is bringing some over to my daughter's house and then saving some for my son, and then probably maybe bringing it in for work. I think that this dip anyone would like. I don't think you need to be on the Optavia 5-in-1 plan to enjoy this taco dip. So I'm going to sign off for the night. If you like this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. And tick that notification bell so that you're alerted every time I post a new video. I'll be posting videos every Wednesday evening and Sunday afternoons. So stay tuned. I have a lot more to come. More recipes for lean and greens and fueling hacks, some grocery hauls, some unboxings. And if there's anything you would like to see, please let me know in the comments below, and I will try to do a video on it for you. Happy Cinco de Mayo in advance. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.